Okay, this is going to be a very quick tour of room 14609 on Norwegian Encore. It's an interior room. So, 14609. There's Amanda. When you walk in, you have to put your card in here to turn the lights on. No card, no lights. They have these things. You flip the switches, do not disturb, makeup room, blah, blah, blah. There's a mirror. Here's our fancy bathroom. Looks like you got, it looks like 5 shelves, 2 glasses, the fancy shower door. This is me in there, so plenty of room. Much better than that shower curtain. You don't got to get the shower curtain blues. Got a telephone, desk area, mirror. There is a refrigerator,
a hair dryer down there,
hair dryer, stool. You got a TV, a little cabinet. You have a closet with a safe. It's like 4 shelves. And then the bed. So it's pretty small, sufficient. 2 lights. Looks like we got 3 American plugs. I see no USB chargers.
I think they're on the side.
Let's see. Ah, okay, no, they're on the sides of the lamps by the bed. So you get 2 USB chargers,
yeah, right here,
and you get 3 US plugs. So not terrible. But once again, room 14609 on the Norwegian Encore. Here's your bed. It's nice, messy, whatever. This is what your desk looks like. It becomes a storage space for stuff. Okay, your trash can, it's a trash can. We found this little secret cabinet. Look at there. I used it for clothes. I got all my underwears and t-shirts and all that good stuff in there. There's another cabinet. You see how we're using that? We're using that for camera stuff and all that. Here's the closet. It's only 1 closet, but
holds all our stuff.
It's very functional for 2 people. I honestly say if you can't put a week's worth of stuff in there for 2 people, you probably brought too much stuff. Just saying. But the room, that is what it is. I mean, under the bed, you have where we have our suitcases.
Samantha and Freddy.
Yeah, Samantha and Freddy, they're hanging out down there.
They're just chilling.
Yeah, they're chilling
like a villain.
Hey guys, I'm Samantha. I'm Freddy. And we've just been chilling under the bed. It's so relaxing in here.
They're on vacation. And then the bathroom. Your shelves. I mean, we got all of our stuff there. Our shower. And even though it's a glass shower, there's not a lot of room in there. I mean, you can't just spread out and whatever, but it's a very functional shower. And then you have this nice little cabinet here under the sink. We don't have nothing in there, so we do have these down here. We're using that, just a little bit of storage. So yeah, that's pretty much how our room is, you know, working itself out. So